Hi, my name's Jeff from Team Glue. What I'm here today to do is talk to you about a simple 3-step process that any student can use to ensure that they get straight A's on tests and exams. So, of course, people spend countless hours studying and it's normally not as effective as it should be, which of course is shown by reduced grades, stressful studying, and all sorts of stuff that, frankly, you just don't want. So, through research and figuring it out, we've come up with a very simple process so that you can study and get the A that you want and deserve. So let's talk about how to get that A. The first step, step 1, this step is the most important. What it is it's about gathering information. You're going to, of course, you have to put the work in. So what you do is you read through textbooks, you go to class, you do everything the professor asks you to do. That's the most important thing to do. As you're doing this, what you want to do is you just, instead of taking notes on everything, you want to take notes on what you find either difficult or otherwise important. You know this is going to be an important thing that you need to learn. You do that, you've conquered the first step. Step 2 is just going back through all your notes, taking all the difficult, all the important stuff, and then figuring out whether you need to actually know it or you need to learn it some more. This step 2 is what we call the yes-no step. In this step, what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, I know this, that's a yes. I don't know this, that's a no. Let me study it some more. Let me make sure I learn that stuff. Step 3, this step is also important. What you're going to do is you're going to take all of these no's and study them as hard as you need to. So study and study and study until the no is a yes. Once you're there, then you'll be ready. You'll be ready to take the test, get your A, and everything's gonna be super easy. So that's the simple 3-step process that you can do to make studying super effective and get your A. Step 1, do everything you're supposed to do in the class, learn it all. Step 2, make sure you've actually learned it rather than just breezing through it. Step 3, turn all of those no's into yeses. Stay tuned to our next video and we're going to show you exactly how you can make this super easy for yourself. Thank you.